We don't get close to like build a way till over ammo.
Right.
Like quickly load up as much as possible. Actually no. I'm good.
Just remember, they are going to silence start, so they can start running at us at any point.
Y'all severance, let's start getting ready. Stay quiet.
All right.
Die ammo, my friend.
Got one moving up left side.
How's it on that side?
It's going.
We're gonna have you to get out there again.
Where's that medic needed?
Right back. You see him?
I see it.
Alright, yo, I'm gonna count to 3, we're gonna start pressing, alright? 3, 2, 1, press.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just run back, man.
All right.
I'll come first.
All right. All right. Good shit.
Oh, no, we were